welcome to Katrina's Creations. This is our Wednesday edition, and today we are going to be doing a knit crate unboxing. Now, the only knit crate I currently receive is the affiliate box once a month, which is one I don't pay for. They send me yarn to review. But before I discontinued my subscription with them, they had a really good sale. It was like 75% off. So, oh no, it wasn't. It was buy one, get one. They've had several sales lately, but it was buy one, get one free. So I thought, sure, why not? Let's use up some of the stash points that I had. So I bought 2 old boxes. So here, I forget from which month this was. This was probably about maybe a year ago. So I bought one, and then they sent me a second one for free. So let's look and see what I got. It comes with the patterns, but I already had these patterns because I have the yarn. I got this box before. So anyway, I have, this is a gray color. There you can see it. And it is Audine Wool's flannel. And the color is called Slate. It is, does it say? It's a DK weight. It's 47% Surrey alpaca, 38% alpaca wool, and 15% non-superwash merino wool. So it's soft, but non-superwash yarn is not as soft as superwash a lot of times. It just means that you can't throw this in the washing machine. Superwash yarn you can. There are 231 yards per skein. So I have a total of 462 yards here. And then one of the freebies that month was a chapstick, and I think it's like oh, this is Creamy Coffee Lip Balm. The one that I got before was like a mint flavor. So this one is Creamy Coffee Lip Balm. So we have that, and then let's see what we got in the second box. The second box, I believe it's the exact, I actually think it's the same thing. Yes, it is. So I have 4 skeins of this. So what did I say? It was 462 yards. It's going to be, I can't add today. I will put it in the bottom what this comes to. But it's a lot. I'm going to have a lot. It's over 800 yards. It's actually probably over 900 yards of yarn that I will have in a DK weight to make something very substantial with. So yeah, this is almost a sweater quantity. In fact, I could probably put it with something else and make a long sleeve sweater quantity out of it. So we shall see. We're up for debate as far as what it will turn into, but yeah, so I got 4 skeins of yarn there. And then I got some Mrs. Crosby, and this was also buy one skein, get a second one free. This is Mrs. Crosby Loves to Play, and it's called Steamer Trunk. Is that the colorway? The colorway is, I can't read what the writing says, Sahara. I think that's what that's, does that look like Sahara to you? Oh, it's not going to focus. I think that's what it says is Sahara. It looks like, this one's written a little bit better. It looks like S-A-H-R-A. Sahara. That's, yeah, I think that's what that's supposed to be. But isn't it pretty? It's got little flecks of like browns in here, and up in here there's some brown, and then it's got some deep, deep, deep teals and dark blues, almost to a black here. So it is a really, really pretty yarn. And I have 2 skeins of it. So this is, it's 164 yards or 149 meters per skein. And does it say what weight? I'm thinking it's a worsted weight because it says you can use size 6, US 6, or 4.5 millimeter. So I'm thinking, it doesn't say the yarn weight, but I would say it is somewhere like a worsted or a light worsted, maybe between a DK and a worsted. So there it is. So that is what I got in my knit crate. Well, not unboxing, but even though I had 2 boxes involved, my knit crate sale that I got. And stay tuned, because next week will be a Lion brand unboxing. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you again on Saturday. Bye everybody.